Hello everyone, in our today's problem we have to find the maximum area of longest diagonal rectangle. So you will be given a 2D zero-index integer array and you have to return the area of rectangles having the longest diagonal. Okay, and like if there are multiple rectangles with the same longest diagonal, what we have to return? Just we have to return the rectangle having maximum area. That's it. Nothing else. Like for example, if we copy this one, paste it here. So this is the dimension we are given, right? And the array is 2D array. Simple. And this one is, if you have a look, what it says, the zeroth index is represents length and one index represent width. Okay. So this is length, and this one is width. Is it width? Yeah, this one is. This one is width. Okay. Okay. So length here, width here. Now all you have to find the maximum area of longest diagonal rectangle. Okay. So oh, here we have to how we can find the diagonal rectangle. The how we can find the diagonal length. So for finding the diagonal length is the rules of finding the diagonal length is length into length plus width into it. This is the rules. So, and all you have to do, you have to square root. So this one will be the square root, right? So here the length will be 9 into 9 plus 3 into 3. That's 9 square plus 3 square and root over for square root. Then 9 into 9 is 81 plus 3 into 3 is 9 square root and square root of 90. That's it. I think square root of 90 and square root of 90 is 9.487. 9.487. So this is one. The another one is 8 and 6. So we can say 8 square plus 6 square. Okay. And 8 square means 881, right? So 64 plus 36. 64 plus 36 will be 202. It should be 120. Is it 100? Yeah, it's 100. Yeah, it's 100. My bad. So 100 and then it will be 10. So here the dimension is 9.48 and here the dimension length is 10. So this one is longer. So all we have to do, we found the like width and length here, right? Now all we have to return, the area, and the area will be like length into width, which will be 8 into 6. That's it. And what is the like 8 into 6 is 48. The answer will be 48. So if you have a look, answer will be 48. That's it. If you have a look here, 3, 4, 4, 3. So dimension will be same. So you can pick any and the area will be 4 into 3, which will be 12. That's it. If you have a look, some more test cases here. If I copy this one. So for this, for each and everyone, what you have to do, what you can do, you can run a for loop. And for this one, what you can find, at first we have to find the dimension length. To finding the dimension length, first you have to like length square plus width square. That's it. And if you want square root, you can use square root, or I'd prefer without using the square root. So you found this one, and then this time will be, so this I will say dimension, and I will say max dimension. So if my current dimension is greater than max dimension, then I will update the value of max dimension. Max dimension will be current dimension. That is one thing. And each time, what I'll do, I'll be returning the another thing. I'll be taking a response. So response will be length into it. That's it. And at the end, I'll be returning the response. Then return response. That's it. Here we have one more test case. What if the both of the dimension are same? So if dimension is equal to max dimension, then I have to check is length and width, like the area is greater than my current area or response. If it is, then update them value. That's it. So here what I'll do, I'll take value. One will be max dimension, another will be area. Max dimension will be 0, area will be 0. I'll be returning the area. That's it. So I'll run a loop for auto, or I can say const auto it from dimension. I can say length will be it of 0, width will be it of 1. That's it. Or instead of this, I can say my current dimension will be, so current dimension will be it of 0 into it of 0 plus it of 1 into it of 1. This is my current dimension and current area. Current area will be it of 0 length into it of 1 width. That's it. Then I'll be saying if my current dimension is greater than max dimension, then max dimension will be current dimension, and then my area will be my current area. That's it. If I run my code, here we have to do another thing. Yeah, that one passed, but what if my current d is equal to my max d? Then I'll be checking if current area is greater than my area. I think if the current area is greater, then update the value. If I submit my code, hopefully I'll be passing all of the test cases. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, thank you so much, guys.